Hey guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This is Okemuti Fole Ernest, your tech savvy. So guys, you're welcome. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you're new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button so that YouTube will get to show this video to other persons who wants to get access to this knowledge. And also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. And if you're my returning subscriber, I want to say thank you guys. You guys are the real deal. Thank you so much. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys 10 amazing websites that you can actually sell your books on. Okay, so if you have digital product that you want to sell, these 10 platforms I'm going to share with you are going to help you to also sell your book. So if you're someone who has been publishing on Amazon KDP and you are looking for another platform to sell your books, you're looking for another platform entirely where you want to explore and find out new things that are going on in the industry, then you should watch this video to the end, because the number 2 website I'm going to share with you, it's really amazing. It's the best and I would love you to try it out. Okay, so like I said before, I'm going to show you 10 amazing websites that you are going to sell your books on. Okay, so aside from Amazon KDP, you can sell your books on other platforms, and these platforms are so numerous, but out of those numerous ones, I'm going to share with you just 10 today, just 10. And with subsequent time, if you want me to make any video on any of these 10 websites on how they work, then comment in the comment section and tell me which of them you want me to make a video showing you how to go about it on. Okay, I'll be so glad to do that for you. So that being said, now if you know something, if you have a knowledge, now is the best time for you to package it in such a way that you can sell it to people. Okay, it's enough for you to know something. It's another thing for you to know how to monetize it. It's another thing for you to know how to make money from it. Okay, knowledge is power, they say. So if you have a knowledge and you sincerely don't know what to do with it, then I'm going to encourage you to know how to package this knowledge into a book and sell it to people. Okay, this is something that even after your demise from this earth, your children can still have access and benefit from that book that you're creating and you're selling. Okay, so guys, let me show you the first website that we're going to be looking at on where you can sell your books and get paid for them. All right, so the first one on my list here that I'm going to talk about is called Payhip. Okay, so just go to your browser and search for payhip.com. so this is payhip.com. all you need to do is to create your account. It's free, you can get started for free. Create your account and you get started immediately. So this is Payhip. Like I told you before, I'm not going to make extensive video on how to get started on them. If you want me to do that for you, leave a comment in the comment section, tell me to do it. I don't want to waste my time. I want to know if you guys are interested in knowing how to do them before I go ahead and create videos on each of them. Okay, so that I can focus my energy on other questions that people are asking me. But if these ones are really so important, then leave it a comment in the comment section and I will do just that for you guys. You know I love you all so much. So Payhip is one of them. You just come here, get started. You can sign up with your email and you wait for your account to be verified. Then also you can check out their privacy, their terms and their condition, and see how the whole stuff function. All right, so you can see here, right here now, put your email, put your password, and you are good to go. So the next one on my list, okay, I think I said did I say the second or I said the last one? Okay, the main one that I actually want you guys to know about, that's what I'm going to share last. Okay, I'm going to share that one last because I want you guys to watch to that particular part where I'm going to talk extensively on this particular website. So I'm going to talk about another one entirely. This one is called Tradebit. Okay, so come to your browser and search. So guys, this is Tradebit. Just come here, tradebit.com. So I'm just going to click here and let's see what we have on the website. Okay, so this is Tradebit website. So when you come here as well, you are also going to create your account. Okay, So remember, I said I'm not going to do an extensive video. I'm just showing you, and then you can take your time to go and find out how they work. But if you want me to do that for you and save you the time of stressing yourself, then leave a comment in the comment section. And guys, if you know you've not subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button now. Click on that button. I just want to be getting the notification that someone just subscribed to our channel, okay? And please don't forget to like this video, because YouTube is going to show this video more to other persons when you like this video, okay? So this is Tradebit, and you can see you can publish and sell just as we have here. You can search for any digital file, search for it, and then you get to download or pay before you download if possible, okay? So this is Tradebit. Now the next one I want to talk about is called Blurb, okay? It's called Blurb. So come to your browser. So I'm searching for Blurb now. So let's see if we can get the website, okay? So you can see the website blurb.com. It says create, print and sell professional quality photo books, okay? So you can also create and sell your books here on Blurb. So this website I'm making mention of, if you tell me in the comment section that you want me to make extensive video on each of them, showing you guys how to navigate around them, then I'm going to take my time to do that for you guys. But if you don't tell me, I'm not going to bother myself, because it's obvious you don't want to know how they work, okay? So this is Blurb, and when you get here, you can actually start a project, and you have to sign up, okay? You have to sign up. It's very, very important. If you're working on this site, you have to sign up. So one thing you need to understand is you have to check if these websites or these platforms where you can sell your books and other services that you want to make available on any other platform, you have to check if they are available for your nationality. So whatever country you are based in, just make sure you check if they are available in your country of residence. All right, so this is Blurb, and you can just scroll through. Let's see what we can get here. So you can see now, so you see holiday gifts book, you see your best work, capture memories and all of that. And you can get started by just signing up with your email, okay? So when you sign up, you get to access your client area where you get to work and upload, just the same way you have Amazon KDP. All right, so I think this is the okay, this is the third one I have made mention of. So let's go to the fourth website that we can sell our digital products on, our books on. Let's look for Book Tango. Let's go to Book Tango. The next one is Book Tango. Okay, so this is Book Tango. Publish. Okay, I think they are no longer in. Okay, they are no longer in operation, but they still work. Publishers are still getting their pay. But what you just need to do, just go through the website and see what you can do. Okay, so remember I told you guys, if you want me to make a comprehensive video on how each of these platforms work, tell me in the comment section. Tell me. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, are no longer available. If you already published with Book Tango, please log in to access your auto account and roll reacts. Okay, this website is currently not working, so I'm just going to strike this out. Okay, I'm striking this out now. This is not working. Now the next one we want to check is called E-junkie. So come to your browser again and search for E-junkie. Okay, so E-junkie, and you get to see, okay, sell digital downloads online. So just click on it and we get to access the website and see what they have there. So guys, this is E-junkie, and you get to see option to see how it works. They have a preview video for you. You can watch and see how E-junkie works, and I think you can try it for free for 30 days, and if you're not okay with it, then you can go ahead and delete your account. Okay, so you can get started for free for 30 days, and if you see that their services is amazing, top notch, then I will urge you to go ahead. Okay, so what I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to take my time and try each of these platforms one after the other, and after a period of time, whatever result I get, I'm going to share with you guys, because I really love each and every one of us to be able to earn from each of these platforms I'm making mention of. Okay, and you can as well go ahead and try it for yourself and see how it works. Okay, now the next one on my list is, let's try payloadz. Okay, so come to your browser and search for payloadz. So I'm searching for payloadz now. Okay, so you can see sell downloads, so just click and let's see. And one thing you need to understand is some of these platforms, they have affiliate marketing stuff. That is, you can earn from doing simple promotions for people. When you make sales, you get a commission while trying to promote other people's job. Okay, so this is Payload, and this is Payload, the most powerful way to sell downloads. Okay, now one thing I want you to understand is, unlike Amazon KDP, where they help you to do your publishing and all of that, most of these websites I've made mention of don't help you to print and distribute to your buyers. Okay, so it's usually, most of them are usually just download books, like PDF books that are in PDF format, EPUB, and the rest of them. Okay, so it's not all of them that are going to do the publishing for you. Okay, so when you come here, it's very simple. Just sign up with your account and get started. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and click on the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video here. Okay, so I think so far we've mentioned about Payhip, we talked about Blurb, we talked about Tradebit, we talked about Payloadz, I'll talk about E-junkie. That's 5 right now. So the next one we want to look at is nookpress. So come to browser and search for nookpress. Okay, so let's see what we've got. So right here, this is nookpress. So I think nookpress was their former name, and currently they are bearing B&N Press. Okay, so just come here and just search for it, and it will take us to their website. Okay, so guys, this is nookpress. It's loading. This is the nookpress that we searched for. I don't know why it's loading very slowly. So nookpress. So for you to easily get the names of this website, I'm going to drop their names on the description of this video. Okay, so that way it will make it very easy for you to access them and be able to search for them on your browsers. All right, so let's head over quickly to the next one, which is Tradebit. Okay, let me just type that because that word sounds somehow, I don't know. Okay, so I'm just going to search for it. Let's see. Okay, I think it's scrib. Okay, that means I didn't spell that correctly. Scrib. So this is scrib. So I'm just going to search here and see. Okay, endless entertainment and knowledge. So as you can see here, you can see books here. That's to show you that they sell books on these platforms. Okay, so you can as well come here and sell your books. Okay, so this is for scrib. Now the next one we're going to go into, I think we're close to the very last one. Let's search for Feiyr. Okay, most of these words are really somehow to pronounce, but I'm going to try. Okay, this is Feiyr, and I'm just going to click on this one. You see here, okay, how do I sell ebooks and print on demand books online? So you can see now, this is another platform you can leverage on. So this one also get to show you the process that you go through before you can get your book published and all of that. So just watch their intro video and see which one that will best suit you. All right, so the second to last one here is called Gumroad. So Gumroad is also another platform for self-publishing and digital marketplace to sell your digital services such as your books, membership, courses, and other digital services. Okay, so if you click here, you get to see how the website looks like. So guys, let me tell you the last but not the least platform, and this is one of the platforms that I am trying to utilize for a couple of time now. It's been amazing, but I'm not going to show you guys how to set it up. If you want me to do that for you, tell me and I'm going to create that. All right, so this is Gumroad, and you can start selling your books here. Okay, this is the platform. You can start selling your books here on this platform. So the last but not the least, let the drum roll, guys. So let me show you the last one. It's called LULU. Okay, LULU. So LULU is an amazing platform. It's second to Amazon KDP. Okay, so I know you've been wondering why I did not talk about Amazon KDP. The reason I didn't talk about it is because 99.9% of you on this channel, or even my new subscribers, you know that I talk more on Amazon KDP. So I really see no reason why I should add it to the list, because it's already like the forerunner of this whole publishing stuff. Okay, so LULU is a great platform that I will encourage anybody to try out. Just try it out and give me feedback. Just try LULU out. So if at all I'm going to make any comprehensive video on how each of these platforms work, the one I'm actually going to start with is going to be LULU. All right, so guys, if you got value from this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video so that YouTube will get to show it to more persons, and click on the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video. Bye.